Morning students, how are you all? Hope you all are good. Once again you all welcome back in GK video, and this is my second video of this week. In this video children, today once again I am going to start the new chapter 10, and the name of the chapter is your veggies, or you can say vegetables. Children, what do you know about the vegetables children? Yes, vegetable give us energy, vitamin, antioxidant, fiber and water. A healthy diet, it means what? Eating lots of vegetables. Eating plenty of vegetable help reduce the risk of many diseases. They are rich in minerals that help us feel healthy and energized. We can eat them in salads, soup, curries or just raw. So children, one by one you all will know about the different types of vegetable. Like you can see the picture of is here capsicum, spelling CAPS CS, capsicum, CAPSICUM, capsicum. Capsicums are an excellent source of vitamin A and C. Red capsicum, yes, red capsicum contain more than green capsicum vitamin. Okay, capsicums are also known as bell pepper. Okay, BELL, bell pepper. It is also known as bell pepper, PEPPER, bell pepper. They are usually green, but they can be also red, yellow, orange, even purple. Okay children, so this is the picture of capsicum. Capsicum spelling CAPSICUM. It is also known as bell pepper. Now move to the next. There is a picture of cabbage, spelling CABBAGE, cabbage. And cabbage is a green leafy vegetable. It is good for health, and also children it is rich in vitamin C and A, and it is used to treat asthma and stomach pain. It is used to treat asthma and stomach pain, and also it is used to prevent hair loss. So we should eat cabbage. It is a leafy vegetable, CABBAGE, cabbage. Now move to the next. There is the picture of what cucumber. And what is the spelling of this? CUCUMBER, cucumber. Cucumbers are 96% water. It is of melon family. Yes, it is of melon family. The outside skin of the cucumber is called peel, and the inside of the cucumber called flesh, FLESH, flesh. Inside of the cucumber called flesh. And also children, the center of the flesh is filled with seeds that are safe for, yes, safe to eat. So inside of the flesh is filled with seed that are safe to eat. So this is the picture of cucumber. Now move to the next. There is the picture of lettuce, spelling LETTUCE, lettuce. Lettuce can be consumed in the form of salads. It is the second most popular fresh veggies. Okay, in what? And it has about 95% water. It has about 95% water, and also it has to be eaten fresh and cannot be frozen, dried or pickles. So this is the picture of lettuce, 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 and it can be eaten as a salads. Now move to the next. There is the picture of lady's finger, LADY, lady's finger, FINGER, finger. Lady's finger children. The name lady's finger is given as the vegetable resembles the fingers of a woman. It is also, and it is of green color. And children, in India is popular known as what? In India is popular known as bhindi, and in the USA okra, OKRA. So okra is the other name of lady's finger. Okay children. So the next one is here cauliflower, CAULIFLOWER, Flower, cauliflower. It is, yes, cauliflower is closely related to broccoli. Spelling BROCCOLI. Broccoli. It is closely related to broccoli, and it is a vegetable which is eaten by humans in many countries of the world. It is a big round flowers which are white in color. So this is the picture of cauliflower vegetable. Now move to the next. There is the picture of what? Oh, there it is. It is C. This is a picture of carrot. CARROT, carrot. And what do you know about this, children? Yes, carrot. Carrot are orange, but they can also be white, yellow, red, and purple. We can make lots of tasty food by using this vegetable carrot. Okay, like salad, we can eat as a salads also, and sweet we can eat as a what sweet, that is called halwa. So it is the picture of carrot. We can eat in many ways. Okay, so now, so children, what now? Next one is here. There is the picture of beans. BEANS, beans. Green beans are also called string beans. It is also called beans. They are a rich source of vitamin A and C, among other important nutrients also. So this is the picture of beans, BEANS. It is also called string beans. So children, these are the name of vegetables. So with hope, children, you all have understood very nicely. Now children, you all will do the question answer related to this topic. OKRA, okra is the other name of ladies fingers, and also children, it is in green color. Ladies finger is in green color, and also it is the name of ladies finger is given as a vegetable resemble fingers of women. Okay children, now there is next one. Give two example of the leafy vegetable. And there is the picture of what? Spinach. 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 And what do you know, children? Yes, spinach. Lettuce. 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 Also you can say cabbage are the example of leafy vegetables. Are what? Leafy vegetables. Now move to the next. Next one is here. What? Which vegetable can be eaten raw? Yes, tell me, write the name of the vegetable that can be eaten raw. Yes, spelling CUCUMBER. Cucumber, radish, RADISH, radish also, carrot also, onion. Okay, so these are the vegetable and which can be eaten as a raw. And also children, eating raw vegetables gives the most enzymes, vitamin and minerals needed for good health. Okay children, so what these are the example of what raw vegetables, which means we can eaten as a raw. Now next one is here. What is the other name of brinjal? What is the other name of brinjal? Brinjal is also called what? Eggplant. Yes, it is also called eggplant. And children, what? It is purple in color. It has crown on its head, as you can see. So, and it is also called the eggplant. So eggplant is the other name of brinjal. Now move to the next. How can we eat the vegetable? How can we eat the vegetables? Yes children, how you can eat? We can eat them as a salads, soup, curries, or also raw. Like what? Cucumber, carrots, radish, we can eat as a raw. Okay, so we can eat them as a salad, soups, curries, or raw. So what? We can eat them as salad, soups, or curries. That is the question. How can we eat the vegetable? I hope children you all have learned. We can eat them as a salad, soups, curries, and etc. Now move to the next. Which vegetables is closely? Which vegetable? In that time I have also explained. Which vegetable is closely related to broccoli? Cauliflower. Cauliflower is closely related to broccoli. coli, broccoli. And children, also beside the color with broccoli being dark green and color and cauliflower being of white, broccoli is slightly higher in nutrients. Okay children, so this is the major difference of cauliflower and what broccoli, but it is the cauliflower is related to the broccoli. Now move to the next. Give two example of root vegetables. And what do you know children, root vegetable? Yes, root vegetables have long been enjoyed as delicious part of healthy diet, defined as an edible plant that grows under the ground, like turnip, potatoes, okay, and also what carrots. So these vegetables, it grows under the ground, that is called root vegetables. What? Root vegetables. So children, these are the question answer which you all have to complete in your copy with neat and clean, and also you all will learn. Okay, so complete the chapter of the vegetables and also write the work in your copy. So for today, once again children, thank you for watching this video till end. Have a wonderful day. Thank you and bye bye.